In the last segment, we saw how we can use the word menu's grammatical features to explore the ways that a word relates to other words, and to discover the ways it's most frequently used. But there's actually another way the word menu helps you explore words, and that's by seeing other words that occur along with it in sentences. Doing this quickly allows you to look ahead into a word without actually having to do a search for it, and only then be able to see the overviews. Remember the collection we're working with here. All the editorials about China and Japan published in the New York Times over the last 30 years. That's around 5,000 editorials. So here we have the main WordSeer screen, like we've seen many times before. These are the most frequent nouns, verbs, and adjectives in the collection. But if we want to delve a little bit deeper, say into Japan, now we could just do a search for Japan, but I'm still trying to get an overview of the collection. I don't want to go too deep into something else. So what I'm going to do is open up the word menu for Japan. It has all the regular options, but there's also this other option here, related words. So I'm going to click on it and open up this related words display. So this shows me, as the title says, all words that co-occur in the same sentences as Japan, in order of frequency. This is the top most frequent nouns, verbs, and adjectives that co-occur in sentences with Japan. So that's nice. Without having to search, we can just quickly see all the things that Japan is broadly associated with. For example, exports. The verb, Japan exports things. If I want to know more, I can actually just click on the word menu in this little display. But this word menu has a special option. It's this one, see co-occurrences. What's that? Well, it just shows me those sentences in which Japan and exports occur together. If I click it, well, then it opens up those sentences in another panel, like so. And so you can see here, it's sentences containing both Japan and exports. That's what the plus marks mean, that the sentence has to contain that word. So plus exports and plus Japan means both exports and Japan have to be matched. And here are those sentences. So these related words, just like grammatical search options, are like previews of the way a word is used and a jumping off point for further exploration.